Look, she have this. Have you seen this? Have you heard about butterfly pea flower? So she has a dry butterfly pea flower.
They almost look like sweet pea flowers, we call them.
Yeah. So we use for the color. I grow them at home. We have a fresh. I will teach you today for fun to make tea with it.
Yeah.
And we can make the rice blue.
What's that she's putting in?
It's an egg yolk
That's
and
egg
sugar.
yolk.
We call it phoi thong in Thai. Thong
So
like
they
a girl.
dry the egg yolks and
Yeah,
oil.
they cook with the sugar. So you have a egg yolk and they have a sugar syrup and you squeeze it in, it's ching in there, it become like that and that's salt and sugar. It's very sweet, but it's good. Would you like to try one? You want to try one? เดี๋ยวอันนี้ผงน้องๆนะเปียพริกบ้านก็ได้แต่แขกอยากชิมว่ะ
เอาไส้หวาน
นี่แหละเพิ่นอยากชิมหยิบได้เลยบ่ะ
ร้อนไปหมด
มันร้อน it's still hot
ถ้าจะเย็นแล้วค่ะ
เย็นอะไรยังพัดลมเป่าอยู่อันที่ลงอันก่อนนั่นไหนลงอันก่อน yeah still warm a little bit นะ you wanna try grab one sure. Maybe get the one that just drop it off early inside there maybe it's crispy you wanna grab the other one there so cooler
Wow. It is like marshmallow.
yeah if you eat local food street vendor fresh cooked hot is always the best safe for you if you like marshmallow you like that but somehow people don't like marshmallow but I like sweet I like that one it's like eating foam but try it
Can I eat it?
So this one it was inside of the brown coconut if you don't open coconut it will grow coconut tree like a sprout
Nice.
you see there's a baby coconut we have coconut tree so we can show you ขอบคุณค่ะ very nice of him I saw he cut it and he tried to clean it for us like, oh thank you look at this rice color
Yeah.
and look at those rice color and look at the grain so this is jasmine rice new crop fresh harvest
Okay.
fresh cut but this one have some white mix a little bit so this one come from Payao province Payao province close to Laos like we are Chiang Mai straight 3 hours to Chiang Rai with the white temple have you heard about that yeah so those and those are also from Chiang Rai and the color kind of darker if you look the grain closer the grain is more clean and more clear here but if you compare to those especially the second one there the color deeper the grain that's own crop that basket we have a new rice growing in the back of the house now but we used to rice from harvest last season so and this is a glutinous rice same family with this
It's coriander.
it's coriander cilantro coriander yeah you see this in Thailand look this one they clean them pretty good in Thai cuisine see it's not about being lazy that's why the vendor sell with the root but this is the secret coriander root if you chop this part in Thailand we never throw away because we add in dumpling dim sum broth in a curry paste for soup garlic you see the Thai garlic small clove there coriander root and black pepper these three things are the secret of Thai cuisine we call them three kings